Hello. Yesterday I had the privilege of spending the day with my colleagues at the vaccination tents, first at Vineland and then up at Mullica Hill. And it was just such a wonderful day, even in the pouring rain and that terrible wind. We had such joy as we were creating that opportunity for people to control the virus in whatever way we can right now. And the vaccination obviously is the greatest way to be able to do that. And I was really struck by the diversity of the individuals who came through the tent, and it reminded me very clearly about the diversity of our community and the need to make sure we continue to work to be able to get this vaccine to everybody who possibly wants it. We had the privilege yesterday of vaccinating two sets of nuns, a group of 5 who came into Vineland and a group of 4 who came into Mullica Hill. And there's something special, I think, about vaccinating folks on Palm Sunday. And it reminds me as we enter this season, both of Passover and this Holy Week, that there are times of great stress and tragedy, but there are also times of hope. As I think about the tragedy that happened in Atlanta, where clearly Asian Americans were targeted for violence, as I think about the underlying mental health issues that might have caused that gentleman to do those terrible things, it's the same mental health issues that existed for those individuals in Boulder. Who lost their lives by just going to the grocery store. This period that we're in of unrest, challenges that the pandemic has brought forth in reference to the isolation and the fear and the anger that some have directed inappropriately at others. And honestly, for our brown and black colleagues and friends, these are things that have been at the surface for a long time. I hope that we use these moments in time to be a little kinder, to have a little more hope, and most importantly, to understand that it is within us to take control of some of these issues. Control the pandemic by washing our hands and remaining socially distanced and continuing to wear our masks and getting our vaccines. And remembering that we have an obligation and opportunity to also assist people who don't look like us, to give them that extra hand that may be needed, not because of their place in life, but because of how people place them in life. We all have an obligation to do better. We in Spira are committed to the not only diversity and making sure that we provide services for diverse populations, but the inclusion of people, of all people, regardless of color of your skin, ethnicity, how you show up. But most importantly, that we understand we walk this path together. We all have things to learn. We all can do it better. I encourage you to join us as we continue to meet the needs of this very diverse community and move forward together to the world that we all wish to live in, where we all can achieve success, health, and most importantly, happiness. Until we meet again, be well and stay safe.